a game set that I never really even heard of, but maybe now I'll see how it works and how interesting it is. I can possibly, you know, play it at my next house party.
Get $10 to $40 off select paint, primer, and stain. Then invite some friends over to show off your handiwork. Don't forget to get the grill going with a 2-pack of Kingsford charcoal, now only $9.88. All projects have a starting point. Start with Lowe's. Paint offer valid through 7-Eleven and fee rebate.
Again, with any design, especially strass, which mean rhinestone type of designs, the most important thing would be your glue and the actual materials that you're using. So meaning the rhinestones. A lot of people like the Swarovski crystals. That is like the next thing close to diamonds. Again, Swarovskis are not diamonds, but of course they're the most expensive crystal as far as flat back rhinestones, but they give you a beautiful look when you're doing custom designs. And I don't like the way this rhinestone looks, so I'm taking it off. Okay. You have all different kind of rhinestones. So you pretty much do your research on the type of rhinestones that you want to use. The cheapest type of rhinestone is acrylic. It depends on what you're using it for. I would never use acrylic. And I know they say never, but I mean, if my customer wanted it, of course, I will provide them with what they want, but I will also let them know the terrible quality of acrylic. So that's one down. Okay, so I finished all of the numbers, and now let's get to this face. 2 joker faces, one red, one black. Okay, so I've started, as you can see, on the black, and I got the majority of its facial features done for the Joker. I let it dry a little bit, and I'm trying to go in and make the edges a little bit more crisp to give it that actual facial expressions that's on the box. And I'll show the box again. I'll do a screenshot of it.